Hello and welcome to my channel. How is it going? This will be second part of the fourth module which we are discussing. Where we are discussing about Linux commands. So we have discussed types of shell, basic commands. If you have not watched the previous videos, I suggest you go and check these videos. After that, come to this video. So here we are discussing about text processing commands. Why are they useful? Why they are used? Let's see. The first one is grep, find, locate, sort, uniq, wc, sed, awk. No matter how you pronounce it, but just remember what is grep, grep. So it's up to you how do you remember these names. No worry. So we are going to discuss them in detail, where we will see what are the uses of this every command of every command now. So first we will start with this grep. What is it used for actually? Search text patterns. How it's useful to us, where it's used. Let's see that. Let me go to my Kali Linux. Let me open my terminal. Okay, let it first. Sorry. Let me zoom it for you. I hope it is visible now. Sorry. So starting with this grep command, what's its basic syntax? Grep. Here we will use some options with hyphen, right? Then we use file name. It's the basic syntax for it. How it's used? Now let's see that with an example. Let me make an file here. First I will check how many files are here. So I have a lot of files here. Cyberhero.x. Let me check what is inside this cat text processing. Text processing.txt. Hello and welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's all about the content of this text processing.txt. So I will use grep command. What will it do? It will search a pattern. What kind of pattern I want to find? For example, I want to search hello. Where I want to search which file? Text processing.txt. Here it's red highlighted. You can see here it. Hello and welcome to my channel. In line number first, it's red highlighted here. You got this? Good. Now, what are options which can I use with this grep command? What are these? Hyphen I is with me. What does that mean? Hyphen I is there. What will it do? It will simply ignore the cases. While we are giving some pattern to this, it doesn't care about in which format, in which case we have written the pattern. Let me clear with an example. If I will use like this hello, then I will use my file name. Check out guys. I have written here in capital letters in caps. So is it there? No. But look out the result. Here it go. Why it gives this result? Because I have used hyphen I. Hyphen I is used for ignoring the cases. Then another one is there, show line numbers. For that I will use grep n command. Hyphen n. It will give me the line number. Let me find subscribe. Correct. Subscribe. In which file? Text processing text. What goes wrong? Show line number. Did I spell correct? Subscribe. Oh, I didn't spell it correctly. What I have read, this is the correct spelling. What I have written here, that matters. What I have written there, SUBS. This is wrong spelling. Here we are not learning English, so don't worry about that. Look, now it got it gives me line number where it's present. It's present in line number 2 where it's red highlighted. In line number 3 where it's highlighted. Hope so this is clear. Hyphen I and hyphen N. Another one is hyphen R. It will search recursively in directory. Then another one is hyphen V, invert means. We'll reverse it. How? I will show you. Let's same. Well, don't get confused because subscribe is written here in two liners. Let's go for this welcome. So what is it give me output? Make sure you hit it gives me that liners where welcome is not present. Are getting with point? So it will reverse. That's called invert. So it will reverse them. Where welcome is present, it will not print these lines. It will print other lines where welcome is not present. Hope so it is clear now. Grep command. These were the four options, main options with this grep command. What were they? Hyphen I, hyphen N, and what was the other? R and V. So let's begin with another one. Find command. Find command. What it does, it search for files in directories. It search for files and directories. How? Let's say if I have to find find, then I have to find what was that? Text processing, like that. Text processing .txt. Text processing objects. Here it found text processing.txt. Sorry. Now, what are the options with it? Here I can use like this. Type. What will it do? It will find only files. Type F for file. Type D. It will for directories. Got this point? If I have to use file F, then I will simply use again this text process. It will give me this one. If I will use instead of D, it will not give me because it is not a directory. Hope so it's clear. You can practice this. Another one is hyphen size, hyphen type, hyphen size. Hyphen size will search by size. Then if you have to execute a command in that file, what we will use? Exec is this clear? Executes a command on a found file. So is this clear? Hope this is clear. Then another command, sorry, locate is locate. Another command is locate. It quickly finds files using a database. Use a pre-built database that's got update DB to locate files faster than find. What is the difference between find and locate? Locate is faster than find. So how it works? Person with same for I, what will it do? It will ignore case. Locate I text processing dot. It gives me the location of this file. It gives me the location of that file. Where I go for locate I text processing.txt, it gives me location of that file. Another one is if I had to find all text files in this particular location, home windows, then I have to find all text files which will end as txt. What I will do, I will locate and how many files I want to locate. For example, I want 5 files which end with txt. Then I will go use the strict log txt. So these are the 5 files which it came game.txt. window.txt, mag window, readme dot. These files it found. Now, if I have to navigate these panels, we will use cat command. We can check what is that inside, or we can navigate their location using cd till this. After that, theme.txt, it will not locate because it's a text file. We can open. So this was about locate. Another one is sort. Very useful command. It's used for sort lines of text. Let me open my file, gedit text processing. I will show you something. So this is the content inside this file. Hello, and this was line number 1, line number 2, line number 3, line number 4 is empty. Is it clear? So there are 4 lines actually, but line number 4 is empty. If I would clear it, now line number, only 3 lines are there. Are you getting this? So only 3 lines are there. So if I have to order them, first I will reverse them. How I will reverse them? Sort, reverse. What was the file name? Text processing.txt. Look, this was line number 3, this was line number 2, this was line number. But here it is hard to tell which was line number 2 and line number 3 because both lines have same content. So this will be line number 3 obviously, this will be line number 2, this will be line number 1. So I have to sort them back. How to do that? Sort, then text processing. Look our the output. Don't know what is going wrong with my throat. Sorry for that. Another one is numeric sort. N text processing.txt. It will sort using line numeric sort. Sort, the another command is another option is -k. It's used for a specific column. You want by sort by a specific column. Then -u, then unique sort, remove duplicates while sorting. There are some optionals. You don't know that much of that. We will understand these things which we will use in daily life. Will not go for that. But these are very what I can say. Few times we need these options. Not every time, but mostly we are using these n or simply without n. This sort command is used here. So also it is clear. Then another is uniq. Unique command. It reports repeated lines, filters out repeated adjacent lines in a file, often used after sort. After sorting, this unique command is used. So how can we use this unique command to make our text or to make our content better? Let's say how to do this. -c, what will it do? It counts occurrence. It counts occurrence. For example, I have to count how many times I read their subscribe. And this is spelling how I hope written in there. Subscribe unique C. In which file text processing. What I did, I have to my mistake. Unique. You count as now each name unique. Say, is there any file I have? Text processing .txt. So these are the 2 lines without duplicate. It removes it. Obviously duplicate. First line. This is it. Another. First line and second. Third line it removes because that is a duplicate line. Show only unique lines. For that I use u -u for unique lines, -d for duplicate lines. Let's say duplicate lines because I have wrote there duplicate lines. uniq unique hyphen u text. This is the unique line only, others are duplicate. This is the unique line. If I will use a d hyphen d, same process with hyphen d, it gives me the duplicate line. Is this clear? So we have cleared the 5 commands. We have to look. I will show you. Group we discuss. It search text for patterns, find, search for liners, locate, sort, unique. Another 3 are there: WC, SED, AWK. Let's go for those. WC command. Let me clear it. What's the use of this WC command? So WC command is used for to count words, liners, characters, and byte count. How it works, don't get confused, and practical will understand it. Hyphen L, what will it do? It will simply count liners. In each file, I want to count liners. Text processing .txt 3. Here is the result here. 3 lines are there. So if I have to count words, same process. Text processing .txt. It give me the words. Again, if I have to give characters, then let's see, byte counts 111. For character count, I have to use M. This will give me byte count 111. Byte count size. For characters, I have to use 111. Same result. These bytes are considered as one character. So let's go for 7th one. Also, this is clear. 7th one is SAD. Interesting command. Stream edited for text manipulation. How it works? It's used for to change old word to replace a word with another word. How it will do? How it will work? I will show you. What are old? For example, I have to change hello with hi. This was old one hi. In which file? Text processing .txt. What happened? Oh shit. Double quote should I not quote? I have to single quote. Now it will work. Character and when S command said E expression #1. Enter mediated S command. Something wrong I did. Let's see what I did. SED. Correct. Till here I did it. Then I will put this one. What was the old? Is there hello present? Subscriber is there present. Let's go. Subscribers. Then remove it with once. Let's change with it. What was the file name? Text. Look, this is the result. Now it gives. Here was subscribe. Make sure you hit the subscribe button was there. Now it becomes live. Is not clear now. It is used to replace a word in the file by another. So edit file in a place. What it will do, it will actually replace all the content, all the all the positions where I have wrote the subscriber, now where I have wrote the subscriber, it will replace them. All subscriber will replace it by like word. Hope it is clear. Last one, but not least one, AWK. It's for pattern scanning and text processing. It extracts and manipulates data from text, mostly column based. How it will work. Don't worry about that. I will show you how. AWK. Then I will use this single quote. Then this curly bracket. Print $1. I will close this. Again, I forget this code. And what was file name? Text person.txt. So this printers make column one. It is used for data extraction using column wise. This $1 gives me first column. If I will write here, if I will write here 3, what can be the output? Welcome you. How it get that output? I will show you that. This is the thing. This is the third column. Welcome you. Hope so. This is clear, guys. We discuss everything. Grep we discuss search text pattern, find, locate, sort, unique, WC, SED, AWK. We discuss all of them, right? It's a good thing. Now, this was all about this text processing command. I hope you understand. Thanks, guys. Please make sure you have hit subscribe button. Bye bye. Take care.